Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Where are we going next? Today we've got a beautiful room here to tour through. We're here at the Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya, and we're on the heaven side of the hotel. And this room we're about to tour through is a deluxe swim up room because it's got this terrace out here. So I'm going to show you guys this terrace here, just a little sneak peek. We're going to take a closer look in just a few minutes, but have a look at that. You got your own private pool here and your own private loungers, a hammock. So this is awesome. So I'm excited to show you guys this room. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to start the tour at the front here where we typically start our tours. So as you walk in the front door right here, there's some switches on the wall just to control some of the lighting in the room. Over here we've got our closet. So there's some space just up here for your things. And then also there is some robes here that Hard Rock Hotel provides for you to use while you're in the room here, and you can purchase these at the Hard Rock shop in the lobby. Sorry, one more thing I just want to mention on this side is there is the in-room safe as well that you can program for your belongings just to keep them secure during your stay. And then there's some hangers to hang your clothing up just up here as well. There is laundry service here too, but I believe yes, I can see some prices on here. It's an additional charge. One thing really nice about this closet is that it's on a motion sensor. So as soon as you open the closet up, it'll illuminate the things inside so you can see your clothing a lot better. So in terms of amenities, we have ironing board and we have an iron. From the front door here, if you turn over to the right or on my left side, this is going to be the washroom area. So we've got a big, beautiful stand-up glass shower right here. There's a little nook in here that you can place some of your shower things. The hotel does provide sweetgrass shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel, and a soap bar as well. There is also like a drying line in here too. You can pull that across to dry your things. And I'll give you another shot of the room or the bathroom here. So just from the shower, hi there, there's a big mirror across over here too. So you can see over on this side, here's the vanity area, but before we get there, I'll give you a shot at this little spot here. So there's some shelves here that you can put your things as well, and I really love this kind of like stone backsplash here. Really nice colors. And then there's some additional shower amenities and bathroom amenities just here. Some towels here and here. And then also slippers that the hotel provides. Over here, I just want to point out, so I'm just going to flip something here for us. So here we go. So I just want to point out one thing here on the heaven side. So if you watched our room tour for the hacienda side, so you'll notice that there were shutters here that give a little bit more privacy in the bathroom area. On the heaven side, there is a little bit less privacy just because it's adults only. So I just want you to be aware of that while booking the rooms. So taking a closer look at the sink and vanity area. So we've got some switches for the beautiful lights, the pendant lights hanging from the ceiling here. And we have a double sink. There's actually a single sink, but with two faucets here. There is a power outlet for your things just here. And then finally over on this side, there's some more toiletries here. So we've got a mending kit, makeup remover, a beautiful lit up vanity mirror here too to help you get ready. I love this like stone on the side here that borders all the way around, as you can see. And then you can see that the stone kind of continues off into the bedroom area, so we'll get there in just a second. Just across from the sink area is another little door here for a private room here for the toilet. So there is some privacy there. And then you probably noticed a little nook here. There isn't anything over here, that's just where the trash bin is located. So coming out of the bathroom area, we can see that there's a little tabletop here. You can put your luggage there or any of your things. And then we've got some extra storage here. I like just the design on here too. You've got some extra spots here for your clothing and things to store them while you're in your room. And then down from that, we've got a little seating area here. So there's a nice big chair and another chair here. And then we have a tabletop. This is actually built into the wall, so you can't move this. I'll put this up on the screen here so you can scan, and that should direct you to in-room dining that you can take a look at the menus. There is a large screen TV here on the wall, and then just beside the TV is aircon control to control the temperature here in your room. And just so you know, it does say on the sign right here that both doors, the patio door and the front door, need to be completely closed for the aircon to work. So turning over this way into the bedroom area, before we look at the bedroom area, there also is a beautiful jacuzzi here. And again, before we take a closer look at that, I'll just highlight this coffee nook area. So we've got an ice bucket with some glasses. We've got an espresso machine to make some coffee. And there's some coffee mugs to go along with that. The hotel provides water that gets replenished every day. And then we have some tea and then some fixings for your coffee here. So if you take a quick look, you can see that these packages come with 2 non-dairy creamer packets, sugar packets, low-cal sugar, and then 2 stir sticks and 1 napkin. So you can fix up your coffee while you're here in your room. Just below that is going to be our mini bar area. And then in the refrigerator, we've got some Pepsi, Diet Pepsi, 7-Up, Corona, and then some soda water. All right, so just to the left of the coffee and minibar area, we have our beautiful jacuzzi here. And each room at the Hard Rock has their own jacuzzi, except, or I should say, each jacuzzi in the room, except for the sky terrace rooms, because they have a jacuzzi on their second floor terrace. So there is some space back there for a towel or drinks or a snack. And you can see this is a nice little way to relax on your vacation. There's even like some jets in here too for like a bubble bath. And then just beside the jacuzzi here is the king size bed. So in these swim up rooms, there is only the option for a king size bed. There isn't another bed arrangement. There's beautiful lights hanging from the ceiling here. And I love this like headboard here, this silver on blue color. It's like makes it like kind of connect with the cool color scheme in the lobby, bringing all the colors together at the heaven side of the Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya. Just beside the bed, we've got a bedside table. And then here we've got some extra storage for your things here. We've got a telephone to reach out to anyone you may need to during your stay. Power here for your devices, and then some switches for the lights around the room. A remote control for the TV, and then a little notepad here too. So I just want to point out, this is kind of cool. It says, potential song lyrics, better to write them down. So that's kind of a cool little nod to the Hard Rock Hotel here and the music theme here. So the hotel will also provide you with pool towels, being that this is a swim up room. And before we head out there, we'll just peek at the other side here. So another bedside table. The only big difference here is this one has an alarm clock, but same power and switches for the controls in the room here. So now what we're gonna do is my favorite spot of this room here. Actually, I really love the tile work out here too. What we're gonna do is we're gonna head outside here and we'll show you guys the beautiful swim up room here. This is awesome. There's 2 chairs, a little table just out on the balcony here to relax. But I think if you're gonna relax, you're gonna be doing that just over here by the pool at these loungers here. There also is a hammock too, if you prefer to relax in a hammock. But yeah, check this out. This is amazing. These loungers are actually like upgraded too. So we've got like a wooden lounger with a nice little cushion on it. Kind of a similar lounger as we saw at the Oasis pool too. And yeah, another thing to show too is, well, aside from the pool, which I'm going to point out in just a sec, is you've got an ocean view here too from your balcony. So that's amazing. This is right close to the pools here. The Oasis pool would be just down the way here. And then the rest of the hotel pools and lobby are down that walkway just there. You actually are right beside the yoga temple here too. But all of these things we mentioned on our full resort tour. So if you haven't checked that out yet on our YouTube channel, make sure you do that to see where everything is located and what's offered here at the Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya on the heaven side. There is neighbors here as well, but they do have like a nice stone wall and some vegetation to give you some privacy. But as you do step down into the pool area here, the pool does connect into the neighbors, so there won't be as much privacy if you're swimming out in the pool there. All right, so with this gorgeous view here in the swim up area of this room, we're gonna end the tour just here. If you guys have any questions about the Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya or the room, please leave them down in the comments below. We'll be happy to answer them. And I just want to say a big thank you to Hard Rock for hosting us on our stay here. So thank you, Hard Rock. So that's going to do it for the video. If you guys enjoyed it and it was helpful to see the rooms here, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out where we're going next.